Oceanside is a playground, and when you work up an appetite, head south along the Pacific Coast Highway to treat your taste buds. Once a boxy bank sat on a corner of Highway 101. Today, a consortium of brewers, chefs, and mixologists have transformed it into a feast for the senses, the Urge Gastropub. I stepped inside the dining room and central bar to face a wall of fine spirits. Behind the kitchen, the brewing prowess of the Mason Aleworks team of brewmasters fills kegs and tanks. Outside around the corner, there's a simple, sturdy door. Enter, and you are in a classic speakeasy. The Whiskey Vault 101 proof is an homage to the luxurious drinking salons of the 1930s. There's a refined menu, plush upholstery, and the talented ministrations of the bartender. The space is intimate, no more than 35 guests at a time, so reservations are suggested. Tell them Bugsy sent you. Patio seating, fine food, and riffs on American bar food classics, all in Oceanside's Urge Gastropub. I'm Elaine Masters. Thanks for watching. Take a moment for a thumbs up and subscribe. You'll never miss another story. Happy travels.